Alright, we're back here on this YouTube. This fella is gonna fell this fella right here. Already made my my face cut on the other side, and I'm not wearing eye protection. May not even wear ear protection. I like to hear it when that thing starts cracking, you know. But anyway, taking care of this tree for the one and only Dr. GS Girl Scout Jane at the Sloth / Cranberry Creek Retreat Mountain Mansion. All right. Hopefully it goes all right. Cross your fingers. I got my motosierra katana with the nuevo katana and mucho gasolina. Okay, let's see what we can do. I'm gonna make your backpack even with the level part of the face cut. So it hinges and then fall right down there. All right. That's for Dr. GS Girl Scout Jane at the Mountain Mansion, Cranberry Creek Retreat. Over and out for now. It's on one piece, got all my limbs. Check ya.